How to upload a video on YouTube? Okay, we have created the video, the YouTube channel banner and profile picture set, and the video title ready. Let's go ahead and upload our first video to the channel. Log in and go to your channel dashboard. On the upper right-hand side where it shows an arrow pointing upwards, click on it. I've already saved the video on the desktop. You can drag it or select files to upload. As you can see, it automatically picked up the name of the video from the default file name. You can change it if you want. Next, we have the description of the video. You can use ChatGPT to write a good description of the video. You should give a brief description of the video that you intend to upload. You can also include external links to your social media pages or email. Next, we have the thumbnail picture section. We can upload our own thumbnail picture, which is highly recommended as it will be custom made to your video. However, YouTube gives us the option to choose from 3 auto-generated thumbnails, or you can create your own custom thumbnail. Keep in mind, this option is available because we've completed the phone verification. Without verification, YouTube doesn't allow the use of custom thumbnails. Let us choose this one. However, we strongly recommend creating a custom thumbnail using Canva Pro to ensure it's unique, rather than relying on an AI-generated thumbnail. We've already covered this in detail in the chapter on thumbnail picture. If you want to create a separate playlist for your video, simply click on the playlist option and create a new one to upload your video to. As you start uploading more videos, it's important to add them to the relevant playlists for better organization. Let's create a new playlist called Automation Master Course. Just click on Create. If your video is made for kids, select the appropriate option. Otherwise, choose No, it's not made for kids. Remember, we've already discussed that marking videos as made for kids can affect your monetization revenue due to restrictions on personalized ads. Next, we have age restriction. If you do not want to restrict your video for over 18, click on No. Next, we have paid promotion. If you accepted anything of value from a third party to make your video, you must let YouTube know. They will show viewers a message that tells them your video contains paid promotion. Since we are a new channel and do not have a paid promotion, simply leave it unchecked. Now the next option is a relatively new one called Altered Content. If you are uploading a video that does any of the following 3 things, such as makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do, alters footage of a real event or place, generates a realistic-looking scene that didn't actually occur, then you need to select Yes. Otherwise, as in our case, select No. You can leave the automatic chapters, featured places, and automatic concepts as default. Next, we have tags. Simply go to rapidtags.io. And enter the title of your video and press Enter. It will automatically generate the tags for you. Simply copy and paste the tags from there. Make sure to enter a comma after each tag and do not exceed the given character limit. Next, we have Language and Captions Certification. Select video language to English, or whatever language you have made your video in. Leave the other options. Next, we have License. Make sure that the standard YouTube licenses option is appearing. The next option is the Allow Embedding option. What does this mean? The Allow Embedding feature on YouTube lets you control whether your video can be embedded on external websites or blogs. When this option is enabled, other websites can share your video by embedding it directly on their pages, allowing viewers to watch the video without visiting YouTube. This can increase your video's reach and visibility by allowing it to appear on various platforms outside of YouTube. Disabling embedding restricts the video to YouTube's platform only. So it is up to you, but by default, it is allowed unless you uncheck it. Next, we have the Shorts Remixing option. YouTube Shorts Remixing allows creators to use clips from existing YouTube videos in their own Shorts content. With this feature, you can take a segment from another video, or your own, and create a new short-form video that lasts up to 60 seconds. It helps creators add their unique spin or commentary to existing content, encouraging creativity and collaboration. If you allow Shorts Remixing, it can also increase engagement and exposure for the original video, as it gets credited when the clip is used. It's a powerful tool for content expansion, similar to TikTok's Duet feature. By default, YouTube allows video and audio remixing for YouTube Shorts. You can uncheck if you want. Next, we have the category. Make sure to select the right category so viewers can find your video more easily. We can add this video in the How-To or Education category. Choose one. We will use the How-To category. Leave the comments and ratings on so that you can get the feedback of your video. Now, click on Next. If you want to add a subtitle, click on Add and leave the rest as this is your first video. Click on Next again. Here, YouTube checks your video for copyright issues. If there are no issues found, it will allow you to go to the next page. This is where you can choose how to publish your video. There are 3 options here. Private, only you and specific users you invite can view the video. It won't appear in searches or on your channel. Unlisted, your video is not visible on your channel or in search results, but anyone with the direct link can view it. Public, your video will be made instantly public for everyone to see. Schedule. If you choose this option, you can set a specific date and time for the video to be automatically published as public. Use this option if you have several videos ready and you want to upload them at separate intervals or dates. You can upload all of them at the same time, but schedule their posting at specific times and dates for your audience. Finally, click on Publish. Congrats! You have just published your first video on YouTube. Let's refresh our dashboard where it should show the video we just uploaded. If you click on Content, it will also show your video that you just published. In conclusion, uploading a YouTube video is a straightforward process when you have everything ready: your video, title, thumbnail, and any other custom settings like playlists and tags. Just follow the steps we've outlined, and with a few clicks, your content will be live and ready to reach your audience.